Industry. Like agriculture, Chinese industry benefited from advances made during the Han Dynasty. The Han government controlled the two most important industries in China, silk and salt. New inventions helped both industries. Silk is a material produced from the fibers of a silkworm cocoon. For the ancient Chinese, making silk was difficult and involved time-consuming labor. During the Han Dynasty, the Chinese developed a foot-powered machine that could wind the silk fibers onto a large reel, ready for use. Making silk production more efficient was important because there was a high demand for silk outside of China. The valuable silk trade began during the Han Dynasty. Salt was an equally important trade item. Salt was valued in ancient times because people used it to help preserve meat and vegetables. At first, people only knew how to get salt from the sea. During the Han Dynasty, the Chinese learned how to mine salt from under the ground. Salt water, or brine, exists deep beneath the Earth's surface. The Chinese used iron-tipped bamboo drills to dig deep wells. When the drills reached salt water, sometimes 1,000 feet below the surface, a hollow bamboo pole was dropped into the well. The pole had a valve that allowed the salt water to enter the pole. The valve was then closed, and the pole filled with salt water, and the water was brought back to the surface. Workers placed the water in large iron pots, which were heated until the water evaporated and only the salt remained. Using this process, the Chinese people could find salt even in regions far from the sea.